Hi, we are the Smart Sisters.
And today we're making face paint.
You will need lotion, vegetable oil, bone, food coloring, and cornstarch. We put a half cup of cornstarch into the mixing bowl.
We added a half cup of lotion. Any lotion will do. Ours was mint scented. A little bit of lotion splashed on us and more on the wall.
Next, we added a half teaspoon of vegetable oil and mixed until smooth.
Last, we used food coloring to mix our custom colors. Here's our finished colors. Now we're ready to paint. Let's start with that blue. It works. Yeah. It's weird. It's just kind of weird.
It actually feels good on my face. We hope you have fun making your own face paint. Remember that slime video we made? What happens when it dries out is it turns into a slime taco.